SAP has changed how it certifies people. The old multiple choice exam is gone. In the next 2 minutes, here is what replaced it and how to get ready. SAP kept the syllabus but changed the test. Instead of recalling a fact, you now reason through a business scenario or carry out a task in a live system. The first format is the scenario exam. You are given a business situation and asked what it represents or what you would do. The answer is not a fact you memorized. It is a judgment you reason to from the clues in the wording. The second format is the system exam. There are no answer options at all. You get a task and a live tenant, and you are scored on whether the system ends up in the state the task describes. So why does old-style preparation stop working? 3 reasons, and all 3 are about practice rather than knowledge. First, the questions no longer look like that. Second, nothing in a PDF rehearses the live system. And third, scraped content ages badly against SAP's release cycle. Every course offered by us is completely aligned with current SAP format and syllabus. Timed mocks with instant scoring, an explanation on every answer, free demo questions before you buy, online or PDF, any device, and kept current by certified consultants. You can complete your SAP certification exam journey in 4 steps. Try the free demo. Buy and get access straight away. Practice with timed mocks until your score stops moving. Then sit the exam. If you do not clear it first attempt, send us the scorecard within 90 days and we refund you in full. Against the usual options, dumps and video courses were both built for the old exam. Ours is built for the new formats, with an explanation on every answer and a money-back guarantee. Coverage runs right across the SAP landscape. S/4HANA and Finance, BTP and Technology, SuccessFactors, Architecture, and Customer Experience. Over 100 courses, and every module has free demo questions. Over 10,000 SAP professionals have prepared with us, from consultancies including IBM, Accenture, Deloitte, and PwC. Every course comes with a money-back guarantee, free updates for life, free demo questions before you buy, and support from certified consultants. So practice the exam you are actually sitting. Start with the free demo questions for your module at theexamquestions.com.